Hey guys, so before we start the video, I just want to say that I am back from camp and done with my break, so I'll be posting on this channel again. Hey guys, and welcome back to another video at the Slime Lab. It's me, Oliver, and today we're going to be reviewing the one, the only, Parakeet Slimes, the queen of the thick. Parakeet Slimes is who we're going to be reviewing today. I managed to get 3 slimes from a restock, which is crazy because she sells out so fast. So, thank you for watching this video in advance, and let's get on to the video. So, this is what the slime is packaged in: newspaper, packing peanuts, and her business card's in there, and it's just in a normal standard box. So, she wraps her slimes in the newspaper. So right now I'm just taking them out. This was non-voiceover, but I decided to make some of it voiceover because some of this was just a mess. I haven't filmed for so long, but yeah. So when I was taking out the slimes, I saw on the Peppa Pig one there was a little dart on the side, which I don't know about, but so then also she put the borax bags with the slimes so we could activate them. So then she also included an extra slime. So this first one is the free sample. It was the Froyo foam slime. So this had fake sprinkles, rainbow foam beads, and mostly white foam beads because it's a white glue foam. I really wanted this one. It smelled just like Froyo. I was going to get it, but it's sold out. Typical Marissa. It's not her fault that it sells out. It's like snatch all her burbs. But yeah, I love this one, and I'm definitely gonna try and buy the full size. Okay, so this next one is alphabet cereal, and she put her bean sticker on the top of the container, and if you put it down like this, I just noticed this, it looks like a man with a mustache and blue hair. I don't know why I noticed that. It's kind of weird, but it's okay. Sorry for pointing that out. I'm so weird. So this is one of the slimes that I had to voice over just because I didn't feel like the reaction was good enough, but so this slime was so thick and so glossy. This was one of the ones that I was least excited for. I did want to get something else instead of this, but I liked this so much. I loved the alphabet chunks and how they made the slime have such a nice texture. The slime was just something like I've never felt before. It was just different texture, different than cereal milk. It was like a school glue, but it was like a creamy school glue slime. But it was super thick, but the slime was also pink, which, I watched the video of her making this. She never put anything pink in it, and it wasn't pink in the video, but maybe that's just my eyes. I don't know. But guys, I love this slime so much. It was so thick, so glossy. So, yes, this slime is super thick, super glossy, and it is pink. That is one of my favorite colors. My 2 favorite colors are blue and pink. So that's a pro. It also has some polymer clay sprinkles, which I did not know. That is an unexpected surprise. Also, so yeah, I give this a 10 out of 10 because it's so thick, but what was I expecting from Marissa? Okay guys, so this is alphabet cereal. So I love this slime. It's 10 out of 10 and it's bomb. It's great. I definitely recommend this one. It's so thick, so glossy, and yeah. The next slime we have is Peppa Pig cereal. I'm so excited for this slime. Yeah. It's another cereal slime, but I was there when she made this for the first time, so like I followed her. I followed her so long ago. When she first made this, and it was so different, but I'm really excited for this slime. This week they didn't come with gibbets, which but too bad. It's okay. I don't really care. I don't really wear Crocs, so I don't need it. Okay, I'm so excited. I think this is gonna be sticky. Oh, that came right off. Okay, so she said in her videos that it will now have different beads every week. I think it smells like Fruit Loops again, but yeah. Oh my gosh, this is so crunchy. Guys, Marissa! This is so crunchy. This isn't even sticky. Like, how? How is this not sticky? It's so glossy and so thick. In the videos, it didn't look as thick. It looked a little bit more puffed up. The color does look a little darker than what I thought it would be. The scent is a little faint, but it's okay. It's okay. So thick and so glossy, like I don't want to say shook, but I'm shook. I'm quaking. So obviously, I rate this slime a 10 out of 10. It's so thick, so glossy, so stretchy, so like has amazing bubble pops. I love making big bubbles, and I definitely recommend this one to anyone that wants a super thick slime, but can't get their hands on the cereal milk because I couldn't. Well, I had it in my cart for like 20 minutes without, not 20 minutes, for like 5 minutes without it selling out. And then I had to change my address because I had a different address in because I was on vacation at camp. So I had stuff delivered there. Oh my gosh, the self-inflation, like what? And just to be clear, I'm not hating on gibbets. This is the last slime. It's Sour Cherry Limeade. It is her alternate Sour Blue Raspberry Limeade. It's like the twin, the chocolate cereal milk of cereal milk. It is like strawberry daiquiris, lemon daiquiri, and the sister slime. Just to be clear, this was the one that I am most excited for. Just throwing that out there. Okay, so let's open the slime. Oh. So let's open the slime. I want to smell it because whoa! Okay. Whoa. That scent smells so good. Oh my gosh. What is that? I smelled something like that before and I loved it. Where? It smells so good, guys. Like, Sour Cherry Limeade is coming for your weave. Okay, this is so thick and so glossy. Like, do you see that gloss? So thick, guys. Like, thick. Like, cereal milk? What? And the scent, oh my gosh, smells just like cherry airheads. I've had a slime that smells just like this before. I have no idea what it was, though. I might have been a popsicle actually. This smells just like a cherry popsicle. That's what I smell. It has some red and green flow beads. The red is obviously for cherries, and I don't know what the green ones are for, but you need to guess. So yeah, this is the Sister Slime to Sour Blue Raspberry Limeade. The Sister Slime. So it's so thick, so glossy, so bubble poppy, and I rate it a 20 million out of 10 because I was the most excited for this one, and I was right. It's gonna be the best. And it's so self-inflating. Like, do you see that, girl? So I just want to say this slime was a 10 out of 10. Super thick and glossy. Sister Slime to Sour Blue Raspberry Limeade. Felt just like Sour Blue Raspberry Limeade. My friend has it, and I felt it at Slime Bash. And it's definitely a 10 out of 10 smash. Marissa included her business card, a free slime because I bought 3 slimes, a free slime because I bought 3 slimes, a Starburst packet, and some borax. Actually, she included 2 packs of borax. So thank you guys for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like and subscribe down below. If we get to 300 likes, I'll do another Parakeet Slimes review because I love Marissa. She's amazing slimer. She is the queen of thick slimes. So yeah. But seriously, I love this new angle. Tell me how you like it, because I really like it. I hope that you guys like it because it's a lot of fun to film in because it lets me be myself more. But yeah, so I hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I hope you enjoyed the video because I put a lot of work into these videos. I'm starting to put a lot more work into my editing because I want the videos to be nicer and better for you guys because, yeah. So don't forget to tell your friends about this video, and yeah, so thanks for watching, and bye guys. I love you all, and see you next time, hopefully.